So excuse the helmet here, but I've arrived at one of these little impromptu car and bike shows that seem to pop up every week here, so I thought I'd come and do a wee vlog for you. Let's see how it goes. So that's the trusty steed, my bike. I'll do a wee walk around video on that as an intro. So you can see these little cars, little classic cars just popping up. And this is a wee village, Balsapintada or something it's called. There you go, Renault 10. When did you last see one of them? Yeah, I think it's something like Balsapintada. I'll probably got that wrong. But I've seen this on Facebook advertised today, so I thought I'd take a wee run up and have a look. So I think it's mainly cars, but I know in the advertising blurb it did talk about cars and some bikes, but I've got no idea what's here. This is part of the fun of living here in Spain. It's just jumping on the bike and go and find out where the local car show is. And in this case, this is only 25 minutes from where I live. And obviously it's not going to be a big car show, and it's not going to have the best of cars in it, but it's always worth, something to do rather than just wander. So I think that's most of the cars, but there's a few more over there. But obviously I'll not get to see all of them because people are looking. Yeah, so there's a few more cars down the bottom end, so I'll go and have a look at them, but I'll just pick up these few bikes first here. You can get loads and loads of these tiny little bikes here. That one's a 125, little tackle. I don't think these bikes are in the show, to be honest. I think this is just bikes that have come along visiting. But we'll show them anyway, because we're doing a wee biker vlog on the bike channel, and it makes sense to have a look at them. That TZR there takes us back a bit, eh? Pure two-stroke spirit. Never heard of that, who makes them? Morini Franco motor. Sport 49. I'm not going to know all of these. It's quite a nice BMW there actually. I don't know if I really love these or really like these modern bikes down at the cafe races or not. The seat always lets them down, I think. Chicks are there. Probably a 125. You still get kids running around in two-strokes here, which is fantastic. The sound and the smell just takes me back. I suppose I better do these little step throughs for completeness. Look at all row of them, Vespino. And a big Peterbilt truck, if you're into trucks. I don't like we're putting fuel in that nowadays with the price of fuel here in Spain. So I'm just going to wander around this side. A few more bikes here. Yeah, a few more bikes here. CBR there. Now there you go. Yamaha 350. Another two-stroker there. And that little cafe that's really busy there, I can't tell you how good the food smells. we'll go and have a wee look. So yeah, so these are all just bikes that have turned up to have a look at the little show today. So you can see there's a whole range of different styles of bikes here. There's a lot of Harleys in Spain, probably because a lot of people have old cars that are retired like me. I'll just finish off this little lot of bikes. A couple of Triumphs been about as well today. And then we've got a few Harleys here at the end, and Indians. Look. So they've obviously all come together. So the town is Balsapintada, or Balsapintada, because there's no emphasis on the other letters. Balsapintada is probably how you say it. I don't know. Let's see. Let me know in the comments if I got it right or not. Right, a couple of more wee cars here. And a wee old Renault 5 just driving in, late to the party. What's that? I thought it was an Alpine. That little badge there. So, Alpine Renault, quite a rare car, in good nick, being used. Carmen Gia Volkswagen, and loads of these little Seats, which we would have called Fiats, but they're Seat. So you can see there's a range of different cars, lots of Seats and lots of Mercedes. That's quite a nice little Abarth. I wonder if it's been tuned. I would suspect it has. Yeah, there you go. Bueno, muy bien. A couple of old timers. Old Mercedes are very popular here still. There's still quite a lot of kicking about. Every time I come to one of these little shows, there's always a few old Mercs still kicking about. So just this little street here to go. Seldom you get British cars here, so this is quite an unusual car to see here. For Granada, and it looks bigger actually than I remember them. Is it a Taunus? Possibly no, it is a Granada. You know, I don't remember those cars being as big as that, physically big, but I think the problem is when you're used to seeing such a low amount of big cars here. They're all small little cars that they have. Here, is that a little Opel at the end? Forgive my car knowledge guys, it's getting cloudy and getting old. Yep, little Opel GT. Again, very rare car. Nice wee motor. And then just a couple here to finish off. So, horrible modern Cadillac. Nice old Land Rover there. And probably my favourite car everywhere I go. I just love seeing these little minis. This one's an import because it's right-hand drive, so it's been imported and put on its Spanish plates. Maserati, another rare car, and this big Cadillac appears everywhere. If there's a show on, he'll be there. Again, fuel prices must be crippling right now. Anyway, that's a quick wander round one of these little car shows that just pop up. Most Sundays there's something on, either a car rally or a bike rally, so If you like this kind of video, let me know, and I'll do more of them. And don't forget to subscribe. I want this channel to grow, and it'll only grow if you guys subscribe and share. So I've just wandered over to the cafe part, and we'll have a look at what's happening in the food state. So lots of people going for this tall beer. Some music on in the background here, so I hope you can hear me okay. And it looks like it's beer and empanadas. The empanadas are the local Spanish snack here. Let's see if they're doing burgers over here as well. So sorry about the music, hopefully you can hear me okay. I'll just try and speak over the top of it. Yeah, so they're making some food here too. Yeah. Some bacon in a roll. So yeah, decent food as well. And probably not a lot of money, but I can't see the prices. So there you go, that was a quick walk round the little car and bike show here in Balsapintada. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, but you know, he's a brick, I'm still learning. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, you know, like the video, click on subscribe and share it with your pals. And we'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego.